Good evening, dear teacher and classmates. My name is John Alexander Rodriguez Cuadros, and today I have the honor of talking to you about a fabulous animal in danger of extinction. The Indian cat, also known as Leopardus jacobita, it is it is a small feline native to South America. It lives in the mountainous region of the Andes, mainly in Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, and Peru. At altitudes ranging from 1,000 to 5,000 meters above sea level. The characteristics of each animal are: the Andean cat is solitary and elusive feline, which make its study and conservation difficult. It's, it is characterized behaving dense and along, gray or brown fur, with dark spots to help in the camouflage itself in the mountain environment. It is among the five felines most threatened with extinction in the world, according to the UUCN Red List.
Continuing with the exhibition, my person Yuri Martinez, an animal in danger of extinction and in cat. These small felines are characterized by their small size and their long hairy tail, which a measure of 35 centimeters. Its Its coat is bright and rings of layers and darker colors can be differentiated on the tail. Reading their behavior endemic cats differ from other animals of their species by being called are not afraid of human presence to the point of not feeling space threatening around humans. This animal feeds mainly on rodents, although it includes birds, eggs, and several types of reptiles in its diet. Threats: the main threats faced by the hunting cat are hunting, scratch of prey and the loss and fragmentation of its habitat. This animal is considered sacred in several indigenous traditions and use its harvesting festival has sacrifice. This fact, added to hunting for its eating, are the two main threats it suffers: the alteration and destruction of their habitat mainly due to extensive manage the extraction of few resources and data are user extend livestock. Grazing is increasingly affecting their population. The purpose of our research is to raise awareness about this endangered Andean cat in order to reflect and ensure that our fauna is the best in the world.